What does Christmas smell like to you? Pine, cinnamon, or maybe mandarins? Let's bring those festive scents into your home. In today's video, I'll share 11 creative, natural ways to fill your home with the magical sense of Christmas. Whether it's crafting your own potpourri, adding a festive touch to your wooden ornaments, or mixing a DIY fragrance spray, these methods will help you infuse your space with cozy, nostalgic aromas. I'll walk you through the pros and cons of each method, rate the effectiveness and scent longevity, and offer tips for both DIY and store-bought options. Think of this as your ultimate guide to a naturally scented Christmas. The heart of this video is about embracing natural essential oils as the star ingredient. Essential oils not only smell amazing, but they also offer additional benefits like enhancing your cleaning routine with their antibacterial or mood-boosting properties. For example, citrus oils energize, while lavender can relax. But some festive blends like pine, cinnamon, and clove evoke the holidays like nothing else. Every family and culture has its unique Christmas scent. For me, it's pine trees, mandarins, cinnamon, vanilla, and ginger. What's yours? I'll recommend essential oils like orange, anise, nutmeg, and clove to help you create your own special holiday fragrance blend. So grab a cup of something warm and let's explore how to make your home smell like the most wonderful time of the year, naturally. You can bring festive aromas into your cleaning routine. Start by adding a few drops of essential oils to your all-purpose vinegar cleaning spray. Not only does this enhance the cleaning power, but it also leaves behind a pleasant, refreshing scent. Oils like tea tree or lemon have antibacterial properties, giving your cleaner an extra boost. When mopping the floors, try adding a few drops of essential oil to your cleaning bucket. For vacuuming, place a couple of drops directly into the vacuum filter before you start. As you clean, these subtle scents will gently infuse the air, adding a festive touch to your chores. Just keep in mind, these methods are more about enhancing the mood of your cleaning than creating a long-lasting aroma. The scent will fade quickly, but it's a lovely way to make cleaning feel a bit more cheerful and festive, perfect for getting into the holiday spirit while tidying up. Let's talk about making your own all-natural reed diffuser, a simple, cost-effective way to gently scent your home. Here's how it works. You'll need a dark glass bottle with a narrow neck, natural radon diffuser sticks, and carrier oil like almond oil. Mix a quarter cup of carrier oil with 1 or 2 tablespoons of vodka and a few drops of essential oils. Choose festive scents like cinnamon, orange, or pine to get into the Christmas spirit. The subtle nature of reed diffusers can be ideal for those who prefer a milder fragrance or have sensitivities to stronger scents. DIY reed diffusers are great for smaller spaces like bathrooms, bedrooms, offering a subtle, consistent fragrance that lasts about 1 or 2 months. Just remember to flip the reeds weekly to keep the scent fresh. Why go DIY? It's budget-friendly, avoids synthetic fragrances, and doubles as a decorative touch. But there are a few things to keep in mind. The scent throw won't be as strong as commercial diffusers or candles, and you'll need to maintain it regularly by flipping the reeds and refilling the oil. Also be careful, spills can happen, and essential oils can be harmful if digested by kids or pets. The next one, and also DIY solution, making a natural fragrance spray. An easy and customizable way to freshen up your home without harsh chemicals. There are 3 main methods you can try: vodka-based, witch hazel-based, and water-based. Let me tell you, the vodka-based option is by far the most effective. Here's why. Vodka not only disperses essential oils beautifully, but it also evaporates quickly, leaving no alcohol scent behind. Plus, it acts as a natural preservative, so your spray lasts longer. To make it, mix 1 part vodka with 3 parts distilled water and add around 15 drops of essential oil for a 120 ml bottle. Go for festive scents like cinnamon, pine, or orange for a Christmas vibe. Store your spray in a cool, dark place to keep the essential oils fresh, and it will last for several months. This method gives you a clean, pure fragrance experience compared to the other options. Now, witch hazel-based sprays are a decent alternative. They're gentle on fabrics and have mild antibacterial properties, but witch hazel often has its own scent, which can interfere with the essential oils. It's also a bit less effective at dispersing oils as alcohol-based options. And lastly, there is the simplest option, a water and essential oils mix. While it's completely natural and alcohol-free, the downside is that oil and water don't mix, so you'll need to shake it every time you use it. Plus, it has a shorter shelf life without preservatives and doesn't disperse the scent as well. If you want a spray that lasts, smells amazing, and lets those essential oils truly shine, the vodka-based method is the way to go. Another popular method is stovetop simmering, or as some call it, simmering potpourri. It's such a lovely natural way to fill your home with incredible aromas. All you need are a few fresh or dried ingredients, some water, and a little thyme on the stove or in a slow cooker. As the mixture heats up, it releases a warm, inviting fragrance that feels especially perfect for the holiday season. One of the best things about this method is how customizable it is. You can use fruit peels, herbs, spices, whatever you have on hand. For Christmas vibes, try orange or mandarin peels, cloves, cinnamon sticks, or even a bit of star anise. And here's a super simple trick. If you're low on ingredients, a dash of vanilla extract works wonders all on its own. That sweet, cozy scent can transform any space. Now, while stovetop simmering has its charm, it's not without the drawbacks. To begin with, the fragrance is temporary. It will fill your home while it's simmering, but won't linger once you turn it off. You will also need to keep an eye on it to make sure the water doesn't evaporate completely, which could lead to burning and, in the worst case, a fire hazard. Humidity is another thing to consider. Simmering potpourri releases moisture into the air, which might not be ideal if you live in a humid environment. Here in New Zealand, in some parts especially in coastal areas, mold is a common concern, and dehumidifiers at homes are very common. So adding more moisture to the area isn't the best idea. But if you're in a dry climate, this could be just the cozy touch your home needs. Here's a little idea I came up with, and it's quickly become my absolute favorite way to do potpourri. Instead of simmering on the stove or using a slow cooker, I use a chocolate fondue melter as my potpourri vessel. It's heated gently by a candle underneath, so it stays at a low controlled temperature. Plus, it's much safer than leaving a pot unattended on the stove. It fills my house with cozy Christmas aromas without adding extra moisture to the air. You simply add some water to the fondue melter, then toss in your favorite festive ingredients. I usually go for a combination of citrus slices, peels, cinnamon sticks, a splash of vanilla extract. You can also add a few cloves, light the candle underneath, and you will have this soft, natural fragrance slowly filling your home. What I love most about this method is how subtle the scent is. It's not overpowering or artificial, just a gentle, cozy aroma that lingers in the background. And because the heat is so mild, it doesn't evaporate water as quickly as stovetop simmering, so it's perfect for places with high humidity, like here where I live. Let's talk about one of the simplest and very effective ways to fill your home with beautiful aromas, the electric oil diffuser. If you've ever wanted a hands-off approach to creating a cozy atmosphere, this is it. And a bit of water, a few drops of your favorite essential oil, turn it on, and voila! Your space is instantly infused with scent. What makes electric oil diffusers so appealing? First off, they are super customizable. High-quality models let you control the intensity of the scent, so whether you want a subtle aroma in the background or a bold fragrance, it's up to you. Many diffusers also come with timer settings, so you can set it and forget it. Perfect for busy days when you just want a welcoming smell without the hassle. But like anything, there are a few things to consider. Electric diffusers can be a bit more expensive upfront compared to options like reed diffusers or potpourri. They also need a power source, which might limit where you can place them around the house. And don't forget about maintenance. Regular cleaning is a must to prevent mold or bacteria from building up, especially in the water reservoir. That said, if you're looking for convenience and versatility, an electric oil diffuser is a great way to keep your home smelling amazing. Another simple yet most charming way to bring a subtle holiday aroma into your home is by adding a few drops of essential oil to your wooden Christmas decorations. Not only does this add a natural festive scent to your space, but it also enhances the overall ambience of your holiday decor. Imagine the warm glow of your Christmas tree lights, gently diffusing the scent of pine, cinnamon, or orange. It's the perfect blend of visual and sensory delight. A bonus, the heat from the lights can help disperse the fragrance more effectively, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. But there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, essential oils can stain wooden ornaments, so apply them sparingly and test on a hidden spot if you're unsure. Second, the scent won't last forever. You'll need to reapply every 2-3 days to keep that lovely aroma going. While this method isn't the most long-lasting, it's an easy, affordable, and festive way to make your home smell like Christmas naturally. Plus, it's a wonderful way to personalize your decorations with scents that hold special meaning for you and your family. Here's another idea using baking soda not only as an odor neutralizer, but also as a perfect snowy element for your holiday decorations. It's simple, budget-friendly, and adds both charm and freshness to your space. Here's what you can do. Take a small glass jar or candle holder, fill it with baking soda, and mix in a few drops of your favorite essential oils. Then add a little festive decoration, like a tiny Lego Christmas tree or a small ornament. Sprinkle more baking soda on top to create a snowy effect, and there you have it, a festive decoration and air freshener in one. Want another option? Grab a pine cone, sprinkle it with baking soda, and it transforms into a charming snowy centerpiece. Add to it decor and it will not only look beautiful but also help neutralize odors naturally. For something even simpler, wrap baking soda with a few drops of essential oil in a Christmas-themed napkin or tissue, tie it up with a ribbon, and voila, you've got a handmade sachet. These ideas are easy to make, kid-friendly, and add a personal festive touch to your home. Plus, they are a wonderful way to keep things smelling fresh. Dry sachets are an easy, natural way to keep drawers and closets smelling amazing. Using spices like cinnamon sticks, cloves, and star anise, combined with dried pine needles, you can create a little bundles of fragrance that add a subtle festive touch to your home. They're super simple to make. Just fill a small fabric pouch or breathable material like muslin with your chosen ingredients, tie it up, and you're done. These sachets are perfect for enclosed spaces like drawers and closets. The benefits? They are eco-friendly, cost-effective, and even help repel pests. Fresh ingredients provide stronger scents, and they usually last about for 2 or 3 months. That said, their scent is more subtle compared to diffusers, and you will need to replace them periodically. Also, be cautious about direct contact with delicate fabrics, as the spices might stain. Overall, dry sachets are a beautiful, low-maintenance way to freshen your space while keeping things natural and festive, perfect for the holiday season. Wax melts made from soy or beeswax are a fantastic eco-friendly option for adding fragrance to your home. Being 100% natural, renewable, and biodegradable, they are better for the environment and even help improve indoor air quality. One of the best things about wax melts is their longevity. Each melt can last anywhere from 4 to 12 hours, giving you plenty of fragrance time. Plus, cleanup is a breeze. Spilled wax wipes away easily just with some soap and water. That said, wax melts are slightly more expensive than other options, but their clean burn and eco-conscious benefits make them well worth it. If you don't have an electric diffuser or any fancy equipment, don't worry. A super simple and budget-friendly option is placing small bowls of water with a few drops of essential oil around your home. Alternatively, you can use cotton balls infused with essential oils and tuck them into strategic spots. This method is incredibly easy to set up. No electricity or special tools needed, and you can position them wherever you want a hint of fragrance. But there are some downsides. The scent throw is quite limited, making it more subtle, and it's more suitable for smaller spaces or for those who enjoy a subtle aroma. You will also need to replenish the water and oils regularly, as they only last for about 1 or 3 days. If you have pets or young children, be mindful of where you place them to avoid spills or accidental exposure. While it's not the longest lasting solution, this method is a quick and accessible way to add a touch of natural fragrance to your space. If you haven't watched my other video about removing odors at the source, make sure to check it out next. In that video, I dive into all natural ways to tackle bad smells in your home. Everything from baking soda and white vinegar to activated charcoal and steam cleaning. It's packed with practical tips to help you eliminate odors for good, so you can truly enjoy the fresh, festive scents you are adding to your home.